Hi everyone! So today's topic is not really for freshers, but it will be really relevant to me this year. It's all about Part 1B group project. Cambridge Computer Science course is very theoretical. Very theoretical. I cannot stress that enough. It's so theoretical that I wonder sometimes whether I'll be able to get a job straight out of university. So I feel like it went like this. The university looked at us and thought, "Ooh, wow, those guys really need something applicable to understand how the real world works," and they decided to come up with this amazing idea of having group projects where we work with other people from our year and actually solve some real life problems. I don't even know how much it will contribute to the overall grade that I get this year, but of course there will be other courses and we'll still have exams and everything, but it will be fun. I really hope so, because I'm the kind of person who is not that great at working in a team. Do not write that on your CV, by the way. But I do think there will be a really valuable experience for me because, well, I've never actually done anything and never looked at other people's code, and I think trying to communicate will be really fun, hopefully. Also, I don't know how they sort us into groups. I really hope it will be not based on our grades, because even though I got a really high mark in my exams, it's definitely not an indicator of my abilities. If they think, oh, okay, she got a really high mark, let's pair up her with this person who got a really low mark, it will be very bad because we'll be both very low. So in terms of programming that we did in our first year, it was ML, which was a very exciting language that nobody uses, and Java, which was really great because I think if I do have to write some code, then I will definitely use it. We also have C++ this year, and C, and Prolog, so basically it will be a combination. And I'm pretty sure if there are guys on my team, they'll be like, I know Swift, and I know C#, and I know this, so I'll be like, have it. So what is the group project all about? It's basically people, like from real companies, coming to us and having some sort of a, I don't know how to say it. So they're like our clients and we have to ask what they want. They kind of say, oh, okay, we want this and this part doesn't work and why don't you do this? So they have something for us to build and we kind of go, okay, let's do that. That's why I'm a bit worried it will not be fair. I'm pretty sure some of the projects will be like easy and some of them will be like, wow, are you sure second year students can do that? So I really hope the university kind of tells them, guys, chill, they are still learning. So you work through this project during the whole year and then in the end it counts as a couple of ticks. Ticks are practicals that we have. Last year was Java and ML ticks, which are just problems for us to solve, and we have a week to do that. But the best part, of course, is to present it. Imagine you've done so much work and you have 5 minutes to present what you've done to your peers and to maybe upper or lower years. So it was somewhere around Lent term where there were group project presentations for us to go, and anyone could go and see. I went there feeling very excited and kind of scared, and actually I walked out thinking I can totally do it. Obviously during the year I will vlog my experience and you will see how I'm struggling with all this, even though I sound very optimistic now. But here are some videos of last year groups. They're not really representative because they're just outtakes, but I think you can go online and search for them. They're all on YouTube and you'll kind of see what they were all about.
Corey was born out of the need to support fast video manipulations under low bandwidth conditions.
We want to encourage people with normal vision to understand the visual difficulties other drivers may face.
One of the features of this runtime library, for example, is character selection. So when developers are developing a game and they've already got the graphics exported, they don't want to be thinking about that whole graph the whole time. They just want to be able to say stuff like, the players reach this point, they need these decisions, what's available to them.
Fitness of each design in terms of how aesthetic it is and how playable the game is. We then combine the fittest, like reproduction in evolution, and then mutate them, again like in evolution, and repeat this many times. And once each thread is finished, we pick the best design from each population. Thank you very much.
How do we approach this problem? How do we protect people from the singularity? One of the most basic questions is, how do you tell difference between man and machine? There are some things that people just intrinsically understand better. Have you seen this wheel before? Do you understand the principle that it relies on? The fact that the surface of the planet isn't actually flat?
Second year scares me just a little bit because I do want to perform better than I did this year, but there's not so much I can do right now. I did start a couple of courses that will happen in my first term. There are materials online from past years, so I was like, I'm just gonna look through those handouts and I will learn them. Unfortunately, some lectures just do bullet points, notes, and I'm like, no. I will have to go to those lectures. Group project is not the kind of thing I can get ready for, so I'm just getting ready emotionally, trying to calm myself down, and I just really hope for a good team, because I know the university may think that putting one girl in every team is a good strategy. I personally don't know how I would go about putting people on teams, knowing just their grades, and that's it. That's all you know about us, so it's kind of sad, and fingers crossed, my group will be awesome. Thank you so much for watching. I'm going on holiday, so hopefully this pale face will turn tanned again, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!